ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. When customers are vulnerable, they expect brands to show up, says Raja Rajamannar, Global CMO and President Healthcare, MasterCard, as the keynote speaker in the Brand World Summit organized by ET Brand Equity. He shed light on the requirement of brands to be present during a crisis to reassure its customers. He also talked about marketers finding themselves as outliers in their own company. Burger King's Fernando Machado shares his secret sauce of marketing. The Global Chief Marketing Officer of Restaurant Brands International that owns Burger King, Fernando Machado, shared his secret to success amidst a situation where marketers are realigning their plans to respond to new realities. He shared how Burger King had to restart their marketing plan once the COVID waves hit the shores. A shower of gold at Shark Awards 2020. The Shark Awards 2020, where ET Brand Equity rewards excellence in marketing across industries, this year saw recognition being conferred in 37 categories. Tata Tea Premium dominated by winning 5 awards under different categories. Indigo and Genesis BCW received gold under the Best Use of PR category, and the Best Integrated Marketing Campaign gold was received by Nicotex. Regional advertisers tune into radio spots as India unlocks. As the COVID-19 mandated lockdown has begun to be lifted, regional advertisers have ramped up their advertising slots on radio. The ad volumes on radio by regional advertisers grew by more than 4 times in June-July as compared to April-May. Identity resolution in a cookieless world. The experts discussed as to how marketers are tasked with creating user personas and providing personalization across marketing channels, devices, and other online and offline touchpoints. They also talked about the 4 partners in the ecosystem: a publisher, an aggregator, which is the supply-side platform, an advertiser, and a tech partner, which is the demand-side platform. They also discussed how publishers and aggregators will face challenges if third-party cookies are done away with, but the whole ecosystem needs to shift.